Hi guys, so this is what you'll need: fabric, scissors, hairband, glue, and let's begin. So I started by folding the piece of fabric inside out, so it's like the right sides are together. Then I applied a layer of glue, and I did that right up until the end, and this was creating the casing for the elastic to go through. Then I left that to dry, and then once that was dry, I just cut off the excess material, put a bit too much glue, and it should look like this. And then once that's done, you want to turn it inside out. So I just use my fingers for this, but you can use a pen to help you. Once that's done, it should look like this. Then with your hairband, you want to cut it in half so that you can feed it through the casing. I attached a bobby pin to the end of it to help me, to guide me through. So I just pushed and pulled, I guess, push and pull, kinda, until the elastic was threaded through. You should then have something like this, and you just want to tie a knot. Took me a minute, but once you've got your knot, then you can just close it up. You can close up the opening. Did that by just tucking it into the other side and just folding over. Then you glue to secure. Once that's done, do the other side as well. And that's how I made a scrunchie without any sewing machine. Thank you for watching.